Good morning, guys. So right now I am actually about to go ahead and take down my hair. It is like 2 days later. I'm about to take down my twist and head to my lock appointment. I'm running a little behind, so I really need to hurry up. I just got on this little two-piece set and a little jacket I put on. I'm about to take this down and let y'all see what it's looking like. I'm probably gonna show y'all like 1 or maybe 2 locks and that's it, because I gotta hurry up. So I really just put a comb in here. I find one way to pop this rubber band. If I don't pop the rubber band, I just take the rubber band off and just unravel it. Sometimes it pops, which is way easier. And then I get to unbraiding. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all me unbraid one, and then I'm gonna let y'all see the finished look when I'm done. It really be cute because it be giving like a braid out. Like I said, I'm in a rush. Basically 2 days ago I let my hair air dry in these braids completely dry. I didn't use a blow dryer or anything. After I got done washing, I used, of course y'all seen me use a towel. I towel dried for the most part, and then the rest of the way I air dried and moisturized it and everything. Y'all, I'm talking fast because I'm trying to hurry up. And then when I'm done get my hair done today, I'll come home and show y'all the finished results and just show y'all me moisturizing it, because I do add a little bit more moisture after I get my locks done, and that's it. But for the most part, this is what my hair is about to be giving. It's like look like a little braid out. So I'll let y'all see the finished product when I'm done. I'm falling for you, but there's nothing wrong with that. All right, y'all, I'm on to the other side. So far so cute, right? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Do y'all see this? I love when my hair has volume, but this is what a braid out looks like on me. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, this is tea. I love what a braid out looks like on me. I love the volume. And this is my little outfit, my little OOTD of the day. So just a simple little basic two-piece set. But yeah, y'all, let me go ahead and show y'all my roots, the before, and then y'all will see what I'm talking about the after when I get my retie. My parts will be more defined. Y'all will be able to see it more. But right now, let me just show y'all. These are my parts before, and then let me show y'all like on the side, so y'all will be able to see what I mean when I show y'all the after. But let me see if I can show y'all the back. So yeah, when I come back, y'all will see how it looks. Let's go to my appointment. Every time I plan to record myself driving to my destination, y'all, I'm never able to do that. So again, I'm gonna have to see y'all when I get there. I'm gonna show y'all, like, I literally bought this new DJI. I literally bought this new camera setup thing to fit on my dashboard, and I do not have time to set it up. I tried setting it up and it's not sticking. So I'm gonna have to figure this out, but I'll see y'all when I get to my appointment. All right, guys, so let's talk about interlocking. I want you guys to pay attention. Notice how she goes up and then she goes to the left and then she goes down. That's a 3-point rotation. Now she goes to the right and then she goes up, then she goes to the left and then she goes down. That's what you call a 4-point rotation. So again, she goes to the right and then she goes up, she goes to the left, and then she goes down. I wanted to provide multiple clips of her retying, so it's very detailed for you guys. So I normally always get a 4-point rotation, but sometimes depending on the size of the lock, the amount of new growth, or just the way the hair is growing, there may not be enough room to complete all 4 rotations without causing unnecessary tension or creating problems. So again, not every single lock is able to receive a complete 4-point rotation. Some of them may have to receive a 3-point rotation, and that's completely normal. So again, a 4-point rotation simply means that she's going in 4 different directions to evenly distribute tension and maintain the shape of the lock. So personally, interlocking has honestly became my preferred maintenance method, especially because I have smaller locks. I know everybody has their own preferences, but for me, interlocking just makes sense. Because as you know, I started my locks with 2-strand twists, and because my locks are on the smaller side, I wanted something that was more secure. So this brings me to one of the main things that I love about interlocking is that I don't have to ever worry about my roots unraveling anytime I wash my hair or if I sweat. With the retwist, twist, the hair is wrapped around itself and held in place, versus with interlocking, the hair is actually woven, tied, or looped through itself, making it more secure. So that's one of the main reasons that interlocking is so popular in the sister lock and microloc community, because who really got time to sit here and worry about all those little bitty locks coming undone? And I definitely make sure I faithfully get my locks retied every 5 weeks. We try every 4 weeks. That was too soon. We try every 6 weeks, and that was too long. 5 weeks is definitely the sweet spot for my locks. And I really appreciate having a professional who understands microlocs, because every lock isn't always going to need the exact same thing. Sometimes you have to work with the hair instead of forcing it. Overall, I love interlocking because it's low maintenance, it's secure, it's water friendly, and I believe that it's the best maintenance for my smaller locks. 1 year later, and I have no regrets about choosing interlocking, and I plan to continue it throughout my lock journey. Okay guys, I am back from my lock appointment and I just feel so cute, y'all. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. My parts being defined. Y'all see that? Crispy, okay? Y'all see that? Y'all can now see my grid. I have a super tiny grid now than I used to have. Yeah, y'all can see it. So I'm gonna let y'all see. This is the after. And I'm gonna part it so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, you see that? I love it. Let me come closer. Y'all can see the little tiny squares that I do have. Let me part it some more. So let me part this side. Y'all see that? Do y'all see? Y'all see the parts? So I am in love with my hair. I love it. And yes, microlocs give natural hair. So that's one of the reasons I got it, because I love locks. I loved my natural hair, and microlocs was the perfect way to combine the two, in my opinion.
Those thin bitches where y'all at, stuffing that shit y'all can. Shit still flip it, pop some.
Alright y'all, so yeah, just make sure y'all are tuned in and leave any questions down below that y'all may have about my locks. And yeah, let's just chit chat all about locks. Quick question, do you have locks? If you do, good for you. If you don't, what you waiting for? You see this? Yeah. And we ain't even reached the sweet spot, okay? This is literally 1 year in. 1 year, it gets better. So stay tuned. Do y'all see how much hair I have? Look at it. Like, what? Y'all, this is a lot of hair. Alright y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. If there are any questions that you guys have, make sure you leave them down in the comments below. Send them to my DMs. DM me on Instagram any questions. I might make a post about it, because I might be dropping a little lock Q&A for any questions that you guys can have. So leave them down in the comments below. With that being said, make sure y'all click the hype button if this helped you. Hype this video since YouTube added a new feature, and I will see y'all in the next video.